Courage and bravery. Courage means being strong even when you are scared. Brave people do not run away from problems. They try to do what is right, even if it's hard. Soldiers are brave because they protect our country. Police and firefighters also show great courage. Courage is not having no fear, but facing fear. Telling the truth needs courage. Helping someone in danger is also bravery. Brave people teach us to be strong. We all can be brave in our own way. Yes, Lodi, courage yourself to be brave in trials and problems. Even though it's hard, life must keep on going. Kaya, let's go together, Lodi. Yes, good evening.